All right, we're at Emerald Lakes, Johnson C. Smith Annual Alumni Tournament. Tiger Jr.'s on the tee, playing best ball, 4 in a group. Hole number 10, September 9th, 2021. We got some long hitters down there. Yes, indeed. Keep it in the fairway. Alright, today is Thursday. Let's see what he's gonna do. Well, he's down the fairway. Might hit a branch on the left. I think it'll be good. Not bad for a first shot. All right. Here are the groups. That's Daniel over there, his brother. Yeah, that's down the middle of there. Best ball. It's just a practice round, just playing for fun. Ain't that serious. I'm gonna walk first 9, you take a little break or something to eat. Probably walk the last 9 too. I got about 40 to 50 pounds that I need to lose. All right, I think I know these fellas here. Special Coach Freddie taught me how to swim. 2000, Johnson C. Smith. We're gonna walk on down here now. All right. That's all the golf day is. And as I say on about every video, Tiger Woods is gonna win one more major, number 16. And that's all the majors he's gonna win. He may win under golf tournaments, but he's gonna win one more major. I know he's been in the car wreck and all that kind of stuff, he's recuperating, but he got one more major to win. I predict that in 2015. Put it on my Twitter account. I'm halfway there to being right. Tiger Jr. is his replacement. I need VJ Singh to make him an assistant caddy and show him the game from the tee to the fairway, fairway to the green, green in the hole. All right, we're gonna get out of the way because we got the other guys coming. That's all the golf day is.